In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a low beam headlight bulb on a Ford Escape. It is located behind the headlight. On the back side of your headlight, closest to your fender, is your headlight bulb. To replace that, you remove this rubber boot. You can take a trim tool, pry out. Once you remove your rubber plug, your bulb is inside this pocket. You want to reach your hand in, turn the bulb counterclockwise, and pull out. Once you pull it out, once you remove your bulb, you have a tab you want to push down and remove your bulb. You want to take your headlight, install it into your wiring connector. Listen for that click. On the back side of your headlight bulb, there are 3 tabs. You want to line those 3 tabs up with the tabs that are inside the headlight. Once you align those 3 tabs with the 3 tabs on your headlight, you want to turn it clockwise. Once you're done with that, reinstall your rubber plug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.